Well, here I am at Percy Quinn State Park in Mississippi. It's a nice fishing spot. I'm going down to the pier to talk to some fishermen, and we can see there's a fella coming in with his boat. I'm going to switch over to show you that. Y'all do any good out there?
Huh?
Nothing?
I had two throwbacks,
Two 19-inch throwbacks?
You keep between 16 and 22.
Well, that's something, though. It's a little bit of excitement, when you say.
Yeah, he caught a 17. He caught some keepers. I couldn't catch a keeper.
Uh-huh. So if you have a 12-inch, you can keep it?
Anything under 16.
Well, that was interesting. Those people went out there fishing, and they had to throw them back, the ones they caught. I'd have been awfully tempted to keep them if I was hungry, but I'm not really hungry. And my friend is back in the cabin, friend Romney, cooking dinner, so I don't really need any fish. Well, there's our sunset again. I heard you caught something pretty nice a little while ago.
Yeah, I caught a white crappie in there.
A what? A crappie?
Crappie, yeah.
How do they taste? Crappie?
They good.
Well, that's good. Anything else?
No, after I threw that bass back,
I
had caught anything.
Well, you're running out of time.
Yeah. But they do good late though.
Huh?
They do good late, sometime like that.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Just when it starts getting good, you got to go home.
You gotta go home. That's right.
Did y'all see a little lure I left on the pile, on the railing there?
Yeah, there it is right there.
There you go. It's out there in that little crack. Thank you. Appreciate it. Y'all doing any good?
No, we just got here.
Uh-huh. Just got here, huh? Well, good luck. Kind of beautiful here. Very calm and peaceful. No real bad sounds except all the motorboats, which you can probably hear right there. Pontoon boat. All right. I'm going to try to sneak up on this egret. It's a great white, I believe.
Looky here, I caught a fish. I'm at Percy Quinn. They have really nice fish.
Are they big too, like this one?
Well, some of them are even bigger than this one, I've been told.
What is that, a crappie or a sac-a-lait or a white perch or what?
It's a metallic, what you call it?
It's a fish, huh?
Yeah, oh, poor little thing. Let me take that out.
Go see his mother.
There's that old Mr. Sun going down in the sky one more time. And look who's looking at it. Miss Pam Becker.
Okay.
There we go. There's the little fishy. And this is my second major fish of the day. One this morning and one at night. I think that makes me a bona fide fisherman. While this would be like you could deep fat fry it or batter it up or whatever you wanted. Any way you want to cook it, it'd make a nice little meal. Probably didn't even need to take the bones out. Well, 2 days of fishing. Is it 2.5? 2 days of fishing, and this is the fruit of my labors. What a beautiful fish. I'm going to return him to the water now. Okay, easy does it there, little fella.